Today I'm sharing matcha chiffon cake that requires just 2 eggs. This soft and fluffy cake is a perfect dessert even after a big Christmas dinner. The simple all-white decoration adds an elegant touch and making it a beautiful centerpiece on the table. Let's get started. Preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius, 338 degrees Fahrenheit, and get ready to bake a light and fluffy matcha chiffon cake, perfect for holidays. First, separate the egg yolks and egg white. For a smoother texture, remove the calazi from the egg whites. Using a hand mixer on low speed, beat the egg whites until foamy. Add a quarter of sugar and mix until it dissolves. Repeat this step 2 more times and adding the sugar gradually. Once all the sugar is incorporated, increase the speed and whip until stiff peaks form. This meringue should be glossy and firm. Using the same mixer, whisk the egg yolks and the remaining sugar until pale and fluffy. Add vegetable oil and milk, mix until smooth. Sift together the all-purpose flour and matcha powder. Mix until the batter is smooth and sticky. This will help the meringue bind better. Whisk the meringue with a balloon whisk again to gently smooth it out. Add 1 scoop of meringue into the batter, then using a tapping motion to combine together. It looks you are deflating the meringue, but in fact you are combining the meringue and the batter nice and quick. Add remaining meringue in 2 stages, using a whisk and move it up and down like this, and the meringue and the batter combine together faster without deflating the meringue. Finally, use a spatula to check for any pockets of meringue remaining. Pour the batter into a chiffon cake mold. Smooth the surface and use a chopstick to draw a circle around the edges to remove any air bubbles. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until the top is golden brown and spring back when you touched. Cool the cake upside down completely. To make a white chocolate ganache, press shaped white chocolate in a ramekin. Add heavy cream. Microwave it for 30 seconds at 500 watt. Whisk until smooth and then let it cool to room temperature. Combine heavy cream and sugar and whisk until soft peaks form. The cream should be soft but holds its shape. To unmold the cake, carefully remove the cake from the mold by gently pressing down on the sides and twisting. Then release the bottom and lift it out. No knives needed and so the surface stays smooth. Place the cake on the turntable and spread whipped cream evenly over the surface. Cover the cake with whipped cream one more time to make it smooth. and chill the cake for 1 hour to set. Drizzle the cold white chocolate ganache around the edges to look like icicle. And pipe out the whipped cream. And finally, decorate with the holiday ornament and dust with the powdered sugar. Fluffy, light, and not too sweet with a delicious balance of matcha and white chocolate. It's easy to make with just 2 eggs, so give it a try and bring a festive touch to your celebrations. Happy holidays and happy baking! Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!